Yes.
Jeg har hørt, du begynder at producere gule ærter i din fabrik. Mm. Er den ikke ret støjende?
Åh. Gule ærter, gule ærter.
Sådan en fiks kan vi vist ikke have kørende. Det tror jeg ikke går.
Det går meget godt.
That bloody marshal, I'll just go and get him. I'll do it.
Thank you very much.
It was so nice. Yes.
You got us there. That was a perfect one. Thank you. Thank you.